What if I told you the most alien creatures on Earth aren't on another planet? They're hiding beneath your feet right now. Thousands of meters below the ocean's surface, sunlight completely disappears. The water pressure becomes so extreme it could crush a car like a soda can. Yet somehow life thrives here. And not normal life. Creatures with transparent heads, fish with teeth made of glass, animals that glow, disappear, and hunt in ways that sound like science fiction. The deeper we go, the stranger things become. Most people imagine the ocean as dolphins, sharks, and colorful coral reefs, but that's only the tiny upper layer. Below about 200 meters, sunlight begins to vanish. By 1,000 meters, you're in complete darkness. No plants grow here. Temperatures hover near freezing. Food is incredibly rare. And yet, life found a way. Imagine a shark that looks like it escaped from a horror movie. The Goblin shark has existed for over 100 million years. Its long snout already makes it look unusual, but its real weapon is hidden. When prey gets close, its entire jaw launches forward like a spring-loaded trap. The jaws shoot outward in a fraction of a second before snapping shut. It's one of the fastest jaw movements in the animal kingdom. Watching it hunt feels less like watching a fish and more like watching an alien machine. Now let's talk about one of the strangest animals ever discovered, the barreleye fish. At first glance, it looks normal. Then you realize something impossible. Its head is transparent, completely transparent. Scientists can literally see through the top of its skull. Inside are two bright green eyes that can rotate. The fish usually points them upward to spot silhouettes of prey above. Imagine looking through your own forehead. Nature somehow made that possible. If a movie studio designed a monster for a science fiction film, it might look like a dragonfish. Its body is covered in light-producing organs. Its teeth are transparent, not white, not clearish, transparent. Scientists believe this helps hide the teeth from prey. The dragonfish can also produce red light. That's extraordinary because most deep-sea creatures can't see red. It's like carrying a secret flashlight that nobody else can detect. The dragonfish can see its prey. The prey can't see the dragonfish. It's the perfect ambush predator. The vampire squid has one of the most misleading names in nature. Despite looking terrifying, it doesn't drink blood. It doesn't even actively hunt most of the time. Instead, it collects tiny bits of dead organic material floating through the water. Scientists call this marine snow. Basically, it survives on underwater dust. When threatened, the vampire squid performs an incredible trick. It flips itself inside out. Its webbed arms spread over its body like a dark cloak. Suddenly, it transforms from strange to absolutely terrifying. Not every deep-sea creature looks frightening. Some look surprisingly adorable. The dumbo octopus gets its name from the giant ear-like fins sticking out from its head. Those fins flap gently as it glides through the darkness. Unlike many octopuses, it doesn't rely heavily on speed. It simply floats through the deep ocean like a tiny underwater spaceship. Scientists have found dumbo octopuses at depths greater than 7,000 meters. That's deeper than many mountains are tall. The fangtooth fish holds a terrifying record. It has the largest teeth relative to body size of any fish on Earth. Its mouth is packed with giant needle-like fangs. The teeth are actually so large that special pockets exist inside the fish's head just to store them when the mouth closes. Imagine needing storage compartments for your own teeth. Food is incredibly scarce in the deep sea, so when the black swallower finds a meal, it takes no chances. This fish can swallow prey several times larger than itself. Its stomach stretches like a balloon. Scientists have found black swallowers with fish sticking halfway out of their mouths because the meal was simply too large. It looks ridiculous. But in a place where your next meal could be weeks away, being greedy can be a survival advantage. Perhaps no deep-sea creature is more famous than the anglerfish. The glowing lure hanging from its head acts like a fishing rod. In total darkness, curious prey swim closer. Then the anglerfish strikes. But its hunting strategy isn't even the weirdest thing about it. In some species, tiny males permanently fuse themselves to females. Their bodies merge. Eventually, the male becomes little more than a living source of sperm attached to her body. It sounds less like biology and more like science fiction. Yet it's completely real. So the next time someone asks whether aliens exist, remember this. The most alien-looking creatures we know about aren't millions of kilometers away. They're right here on Earth, hidden in the darkness beneath the waves, waiting for us to find them.